Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Raw Mango Lassi Soda. But first a few words of raw mango and its properties. Nutritional value to start with. Advantages of raw mango. But disadvantages of raw mango. And the worst, Urushiol, the poisonous mango toxin. Beware. For more information on Urushiol, please view these videos that I have uploaded earlier. You will get information on how to remove Urushiol, and in case you get infected with Urushiol, what to do. Please wash them. And now, to a bowl of water, add fat bursting agents like salt, vinegar and lemon juice and the raw mangoes. Soak them for 10 to 15 hours. The longer, the better. And remove Urushiol. And to make Urushiol free raw mango chutney, in case you have missed the video, please scroll or search for the link in the description and watch the video. Take fresh curd or yogurt, 120 grams or as per as you wish. And now, Mini Madani, the classical Indian wooden stirrer, churner or blender and mixer from our dadis and nanis times. Stir or churn the curd or yogurt till it is completely smooth, free-flowing and lump-free. There. That is how it should be. Now, freshly roasted grounded cumin powder and any natural, preferably black salt, and stir to mix well again. There, done. Now, take any tall or extra wide glass, chilled curd or yogurt. Again, the amount should be as per the consistency required by you. I want to keep it thick and creamy. Therefore, I am taking little in excess. Add ice cube again as per as your choice. I am taking excess again. Now for the Urushiol free raw mango chutney, again I am taking much in excess. Please take as per as your required taste. And chilled bottle of soda or carbonated, aerated cold drink or any bubbly water, and pour and allow the infusion to occur. And have I forgotten something? Surprise! No sugar. Wait, add cherries or any natural or dry fruit as a sweetener. What an effect it is going to be. What a twist of taste. Add a sprig of mint, wedge of raw mango or both to garnish. And our Urushiol free raw mango lassi soda is ready to be served. Serve to all your known, all your friends, especially your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. have a nice time, and as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.